So now we are not going to be inputting data on this workspace. So this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to be inputting data, and we are going to be using this data to learn some things. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video while I input the data. Then I will play the video after inputting the data so that I don't take much time. Now we have finished inputting the data in Excel. So, but if you take a look at these values, these data, they look so rough. You can easily visualize this. If you take a look at this, the students is overlapping this cell. So that is cell A is overlapping cell B. And if you take a look at this name, Elvis Innocent Agbede, this is overlapping the cell B, and it's also overlapping this cell as well. But this doesn't mean what we inputted is wrong. It just means that we need to increase the width of the cell. So that is what it means. So if, for example, if you input a data in one cell and it overlap the next cell, that doesn't mean that data is wrong. It just means you need to overlap. It just means you need to increase the size of the cell so that you can easily visualize this. So what we are going to do is you are going to move this thick white cross. You are going to move this to the top. So you move it to the top until you get this small black cross. Till you get this thin black cross, then all you need to do, you just need to click on it and drag it. Click on it and drag it. So as you can see, we have increased the size, but this name is still overlapping to the second cell. So we still need to increase it further. So what you need to do, just over your cross to this side and make sure you have the thin black cross. Now the shortcut is, instead of you to drag it, just double click on it. So double click on this. As you can see now, it has arranged. So now we can easily visualize this. So this is the students. So we have the list of students here. And now the mathematics is also overlapping to the cell C. So all we need to do, we just need to over our white T cross. We need to over this to this part and make sure you have this thin black cross, then double click on it. So as you can see now, it is okay. So as you can see now, we can easily visualize this. So now I'm just going to quickly input the score for English and mathematics. So let's say this guy got 100 and he got 98 in mathematics. So this one got 56, this one got 89, this one got 67, this one got 65. Why this guy got 45, this one got 89, this got 100, why this one got 100 as well. So now these are the values. So we have finally inputted all the data in Excel. So now we are going to be working on these data. So now we need to create a title for this spreadsheet. So we need to create a title. So the title for this is going to be exam scores for first year students. And how can we do this? We need to create a new row on top of this on top of this title here. So we need to create a new row. And how can we do this? First of all, you need to highlight these values. So how can you highlight this? Make sure you have this thick white cross, then just drag it to this place. So drag it to the end of this physics cell. Then all you need to do is just need to right click, then click on insert. So it's going to ask you want to shift the cell right, you want to shift it down, entire row, entire column. So because we want to shift this down so that we can get a new row on top, you just click OK. So as you can see now, we have a new row. So all you need to do, you just need to type the title. So this is exam. So this is exam scores for first year students. So this is the title. Now if you take a look at this title does not look convincing. We need to arrange this title. That is, we need to take this title to the middle so that it can look convincing. So how can we do this? All you need to do, just over your thick white cross on top of this, then click on it. Then now you're going to drag this to the end of this part here. So you're going to drag it here. Then now you're going to go to merge and center. So as you can see, we have merge and center. Then click on merge and center, click on it again. Now as you can see, this cell, that is, this cell is fully okay. So this cell, we have moved this title to the middle.